oil-poached red snapper. I'm making Ras Al Hanout Spice Blend, which roughly translates to best in shop. Top shelf spice blend, my friends. Earthy cumin, black pepper, cinnamon, coriander, cloves, and ginger and cayenne for a kick. The secret to poaching delicate fish is to go low and slow. I want buttery and infused, not fried and dried. Oranges taste like sunshine. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. This sublime snapper is the perfect size to serve one guest at your next Ooh La La dinner party.
Check it out. You know we feeling G-double-O-D. We are feeling so G-double-O-D. We are feeling so G-double-O-D. We ain't gon' debate it. How we feeling? We ain't even gotta say it. Hey. My confidence is 10 feet tall. Come see how I manage. Ain't gotta have no crystal ball for you to see that magic. Exceed the average and be a savage, and we can grab it. People look at me like, let me get a dose of all that he is having. Peep how they ratchet, they egomanic, so we don't match it. And we don't panic, cause if we want it, then we go at it.